and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create 3D chart in PowerPoint. So let's see how it works. You can see firstly it is showing a light color background, that is gradient fill, and then the first option appears like this with the shadow effect and the title like this. The second appears, third, and the fourth appears. So let's see how to create it. Insert a new slide and change its background. Here I have used two spots in the gradient fill. One is black and one is white. In the black I have made the transparency up to 50%. Then in view, enable the guides. Then go in insert, shapes, and click on rectangle, and then draw a rectangle with the help of a shift key, and then just place it here. Shape outline, choose no outline, and color you can change according to you. Then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and place it here, and again change its color. Here I am choosing blue. Again duplicate it and bring it here, and then you can just change its color and again duplicate it last time and again change its color. After this, just insert an oval shape with Android with the help of shift key. Shape outline, choose no outline, and give any color. Just right click and click on format shape. Go in effects. Then just go in 3D rotation and choose perspective right. Then go in 3D format and increase its depth. Like here I am increasing it to 300. Now you can just see that here in 3D rotation there are X rotation, Y, Z, and perspective. Just use the perspective and you can see it is becoming narrow, and you can just play with them and choose according to you. Then just after this, place it here, and you can change its color to blue, dark blue, like this. And I have changed the color. Then just duplicate it and place it here, and now you have to just rotate it. Like, wait a minute, I will rotate it and then I will show it to you. Like this, you can see here I have rotated it using these X, Y, and Z rotation. And then if you want, you can just change the lightning according to you, like this, but it is not necessary. Then just change its color. Here I've used dark red tone, and then just increase its size like this, and then use the X and Y rotation to make it just fine, like this. And wait a minute, let me correct it, like this, and make it perspective normal, like this. Here you can see that I have inserted all of them. Now just insert a text box and write here 01 and increase its font, make it bold, and change the font and make it white, and then just place it here. Just duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. After duplicating, just change it to 2 and just place it here, and again duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and place it here and write 3, and again just duplicate it and place it here and write 4. Then just go and insert and icons. Icons are available only in the latest version of PowerPoint, and just choose any 4 icons and then just click on insert here choose any 4 icons. You can see here that I have inserted the icons and just make it 1.1 in the width like this and change its color to white. And then just bring them aside and place them inside these box. Like one, I'm using it here. Second, I am using it here. Third one, I am placing it here. And the fourth one, I am placing it here. Like this. Now after this, just insert a text box here and write 20% like this and change its font, make its size bigger and make it bold. And here I am choosing its color white, so you can just see, and I am placing it here like this. Then just duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and bring it here and write 50% for this. Wait, 50% like. Then again just duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and then bring it here and write 30% for this, and then just again duplicate it and then write 100% for this like this. And now you can just increase its font size. Like here I'm using this one, and just align it properly. And for this also I'm increasing its size, and for this also I'm increasing its size. Then after this, go and insert in icons and select any 4 icons, the same icon that you chose the earlier. So here I'm choosing this one and this one and this one. Here I have inserted, and you can just make them 1.5 like this and graphic fill white, and then bring them aside. Then just choose one by one and place it here. And if you want, you can just increase their size like this. For this also I'm increasing its size for 2. Now after this, just group it, like select this icon, then this number and this, and press Ctrl G like this. You have to just group all of it. Ctrl G and just press them like this. Ctrl G. Then just select them, and now one by one just send it to back. Just select all, go in shape format, send it to back like this. Then just group this also and press Ctrl G. Here I am grouping it so that putting animation would be easier. First is select and then press Ctrl G. So here I have grouped. Now just go and insert in shapes, choose a circle and draw it with the help of shift key, and then shape outline, choose this shape fill white, and then after this just in shape outline just increase its width, and you can choose more darker color maybe like this. Then just insert a text box and write title bold and change its font Arial. Yeah, now just place it here. Again insert a text box and write add your detailed text like this, and you can just make it smaller, just reduce its size and make it center aligned like this. Then just group these two with the help of shift key. Just select and press Ctrl G. Now we will just connect them. Just place it here and go in insert shapes, and in lines choose connector, and like this just make one and just connect, and you can use black for this, and just connect it like this. Then just duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and place one here. Once more just duplicate it and one here, and one would be here, and just duplicate this too by pressing Ctrl D, and then just place it like this. And for this again duplicate and place one here like this. Again once more, and this is done. Now it's time to add animations. So here I will show you which animation did I have used. For this I have used the stretch, for this the box, and for this the hair I've used wipe, and for the shadow I've used fade. In this one we have not put shadow, but if you want we can. And for the shadow here I've used fade, and then for this I've used wipe, and for this also wipe. So you can see how the animation was, and like this I animated all of